What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm really excited for this one because I'm going to be taking you through some advanced affiliate marketing training. And this is going to be a full tutorial step by step showing you how to make money online with affiliate marketing. This is going to be a very, very good in-depth tutorial that you're going to want to watch all the way to the end so you don't miss out on any information. Now, I've been testing lots of affiliate marketing stuff right now because I'm basically locked in at home because of this virus. I don't have it, but I am locked in at home. So I've been doing lots of testing, all sorts of cool stuff. So I have a lot of good tutorials for you in the future as well. So make sure you subscribe. Now, this video is pretty much off the back of another video that I did around about a week ago where we talked about how to make $200 a day with affiliate marketing. At the end of that video, I talked about some more advanced technical stuff, which we're actually going to talk about in this video so you can take this affiliate marketing strategy to the next level. And we're also going to talk about some problems that people had in this video. So if you watch that video, you're definitely going to want to be watching this one. And if you didn't watch that video, watch this video anyway because you will learn a lot about affiliate marketing. Now, in the last video, guys, we talked about how to send people from basically the internet. So Pinterest was our traffic source to an affiliate offer. So from the internet straight to an affiliate offer. This can be done, but in most cases, this is really beginner stuff. And eventually you're going to want to transition into something better. You're going to want to transition into something called a bridge page, which essentially you have something in the middle that collects emails. It can be a page that collects emails. It can be a quiz page, which is what we're talking about in this video. And I'm going to give you some quiz pages you can use. But essentially, you definitely want to do this properly by having what we call a bridge page. Because if you don't, you can make money with affiliate marketing doing it this way. But, once you start making a little bit more money and getting this stuff going, you want to keep working on scaling things up so you can run it properly so it works long term. Anybody can go out and basically send people to an offer, but you want something like this to last for months or even years. You want this to keep going. So you want to build up that customer base. Basically, that's what I call it, a customer base of people that you can also promote other products to later on, or you can promote the same products to, but you can keep promoting products so you keep making money. It's very critical to affiliate marketing because the way I teach affiliate marketing is not to do it quick and fast and then burns out. I want you to do it quick and fast, but I want you to keep it going so you can, make money for a long period of time. So let's jump straight into this, guys. First of all, we need a product. Now, for you guys that watch me all the time, you know that I talk about ClickBank. For anyone that's new to my channel or this video, what you want to do is go to a website called clickbank.com and sign up for an account. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about one thing that's quite important. So in my last video, we talked about a woodworking product, which is a great product to promote on Pinterest. But if you want to get more into the expert side of things, I should say, or you have a bit more experience, or you think that you can handle a bit more of this, what you want to do is in ClickBank, you want to go for making big money quick and doing it kind of at an expert level. You want to go for products that have a high gravity for this particular method. Because once they have high gravity, it means people are running ads to these products and they're working because it's got a lot of people selling these products. Now, gravity basically, some people say you should never promote products that have a low gravity. That's not true. Sometimes low gravity products can be the best to promote. It just depends on the method, okay? When I'm doing search engine optimization, I usually go for low gravity products. When I'm doing advertising, I usually go for high gravity products. What you want to do is go to ClickBank and go to the marketplace and go down to, I think, health and fitness for this example. You don't have to do these products. This is what I'm using as an example in these videos. And for this one, we're going to go for the Cinderella solution. I've made good money in this in the past. I'm not promoting it right now, but I've made good money with this one in the past. The reason we want to go for Cinderella solutions is because it has a high gravity. The product is a fitness product, a weight loss product, okay? But more importantly is they have so many resources that you can use. They have emails, but they also have a quiz page that you can use. A quiz page is one of the best bridge pages you can use for advertising. Now, this is the quiz page here. I also have my own custom quiz pages as well, which some of you guys might have in my course. But if we go to here, essentially what people do is they fill out a quiz. And then at the end of the quiz, they then get directed to the affiliate link, okay? So and you can get if you use ClickFunnels, you don't have to use ClickFunnels, guys, but that's just what I use and that's what these guys use. ClickFunnels is a funnel building software. I'll leave a link below if you want to check it out. Essentially, you go here, you click here to start. It'll import the funnel just like it has here for me. and then you can start editing it and using the funnel. Now, the next step, what I like about this, we'll get into the funnel and stuff in a second, but what I like about this, guys, is they have ads that we can essentially kind of use. So just go to miscellaneous tools, I think it is, somewhere on this page. Anyway, you'll find it somewhere on this page. It'll take you to here, add images. And I'll explain to you why these are important in a second, because I actually made my own ad out of these images by cutting them up and stuff like that, okay? So your first step is you want to go and use ClickFunnels or something similar, and you want to create a quiz page. I would recommend ClickFunnels because you can essentially, with one click, you can import their quiz page, and you'll get a page that looks like this. What you want to do is, I think, let me just check this out. Yeah, so on the last quiz page, guys, where the people end up after they do the quiz, it's going to say, how old are you? And then there's a pop-up. On that pop-up, we want to put our affiliate link so people click this and go to the affiliate page, okay? So what I'm going to do is go back to ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels, so confusing. They're completely different programs, just so you know. All right, guys, so I just had to check something. So yeah, you don't want to actually use the promote button, because you have a better chance of your stuff getting approved if you actually use the ones that they have here. I usually just use the promote, but in this case, because I do know that people say sometimes it doesn't work for them, if you actually use this link here, so quiz results, then you have pretty much, you're going to be fine, because you're going to have that quiz bridge page as a buffer, and then you're also going to have a good affiliate link as a buffer as well. So don't use the promote function. Do not use this. And the reason I'm saying this, guys, is because people were still doing this in my last video when I told them not to as well, okay? Then what you want to do is you actually want to go to your ClickFunnels page, and you want to go to quiz 7 out of 7, and you want to go to edit page, and you want to actually go up to the pop-up and go edit settings. And on here, where it's got the button, you actually want to go to set action and go to website URL, and you want to put in the affiliate link. And the XX at the end is just a tracking ID. You can have that as whatever you want. So you might put Pinterest or something if you're doing Pinterest ads. But here where it says affiliate equals, that's going to be your ClickBank username. So Axel R is mine, is my test account. So that is going to be my affiliate link. And I'm going to go back to here and click save. If someone does this quiz, it will go to my affiliate link. And what I'll do is I'll actually leave a tutorial below on how to use ClickFunnels. This isn't a video on that. What we want to do is we actually want to send people to an ad. This is one that I've created. I'm going to show you how I create it in a second. Then we want to send people to the quiz page, and then we want to send them to the offer where you can make the money. So I want to kind of give you a visual picture here of what it looks like, okay? But more importantly, you can actually go out and you can add people to an email list, and you can send people out an email sequence. These guys actually have all of the emails in here. So, such a massive page. So they've got all the emails. Just click on here and it takes you to the emails. And you can actually use their emails. And you can send out emails to get more sales. Once again, I've got a full video on that. I'll leave it in the description on how to set up an email marketing sequence. I use a program called GetResponse, but you can actually use ClickFunnels as well instead of having two programs. It's up to you. Now, in the last video, guys, a lot of you guys had some questions. First, we'll get into the ads in a second. Affiliate links do work on Pinterest, but some of you guys had trouble with them getting banned. The reason is because you're using the wrong link, or you're not using a bridge page. So that's why we use a bridge page. Pinterest do allow affiliate links, but there's always going to be that chance that you might not get approved. It's just the way it is. Because sometimes with a manual review, they'll go and have a look at everything. So you just want to make sure that you have a bridge page if you plan to do this properly for a long period of time. Okay? So the next step we want to do now, guys, is actually go and create an ad, which I have one right here that I created. Now, the reason I want to go into the ads here that I talked about before is because I want everything to flow nicely. So I'm using, these are ads that they use on Facebook, but I'm using them on Pinterest. So obviously I want to copy that into a Pinterest format. So it says, have you unlocked your metabolism with flavor pairing yet? And there's an image and a lock. So I actually created one here with the same image in a lock. And it says how to unlock your metabolism pairing, take our 7-step quiz. Now you're going to have to actually create a lot of different ad variations. This ad literally took me about 4 minutes to make. So spend about half an hour making different variations of ads that you can use for this campaign because some are going to work better than others. Now I use canva.com and you can create these for free. Pinterest have their own templates, okay? You can go and use Pinterest templates. And then once you've actually created this, I just drag the image in, I got this off the internet, and then you can just change all the text, okay? All you do is go like this and you simply download the image for free and you can use it anywhere you like. Now we talked about some of this in the last video and I'll also leave this image down below without spelling mistakes this time that you can possibly go and try. But I recommend you do lots of variations and stuff, okay? This stuff isn't get rich quick overnight. You have to actually put in some work to make this work for you. Now the next step, guys, once we have all this set up, so this is the kind of thing we want to do. You want to make sure you've got your ad image ready. You want to make sure you've got a quiz page set up, which is really simple to do. I just showed you before. And then you want to link it all to your affiliate link, okay? The next step is you want to actually go and create an ad in Pinterest. Now, if you can't create an ad, you don't have that option, there's 2 ways to do it. You can sign up for a business account with Pinterest. Just go to business.pinterest.com. Or you can convert your private account into a business account and then you can start to run ads for affiliate marketing, okay? Now, once you have all of this set up, you can go and start running ads. Now, just before we jump in, guys, there's actually a program you can use called Big Spy if you do have trouble trying to figure out what type of ads to run. It will literally go and take ads that are running right now on Pinterest and show you them so you can kind of replicate or mimic what they're doing. But it does cost money. Now, I don't use it because I just do lots of variations to see what works for me. But if you have trouble figuring out ad variations, feel free to go and use a tool like this. I don't own this tool. I'm not an affiliate. I don't have a link anywhere. I'm just recommending a tool that you could possibly use to find ad ideas, okay? Which is called Big Spy. Just go into Google, type it, and it'll pop up. So the next step is to obviously go and run some ads. You want to go into Pinterest, and you want to go to ads and there's coronavirus stuff everywhere, man, and go to create ad, okay? I'm just in lockdown because it's really crazy here at the moment. Now, you want to go to traffic. I did do a lot of this in the last video. It essentially is the same, but you want to go to traffic and you want to name your campaign. So I'm going to name this YouTube test, and then we're going to go down and go to continue. And then targeting, you want to go down to interest. Now, in this particular case, you probably want to just going to click on health, okay? And your country, you will go down there in a second. So anyway, health. And then you could also take out, so you might want to take out children's health actually, eye care, probably medical, oral health, daily routine, and that one. And then we've still got nearly 31 million people we can promote this product to. Don't worry about keywords. A lot of people ask me in the last one, why haven't you put keywords in? Because I just want to advertise to these things, broad just to these things. You can put in keywords if you want, but your audience is going to go down. It's going to be more targeted, but it's going to go down. If you want to scale this big, you're going to have a big audience. So I would leave the keywords blank, but that's up to you. You can put in how to lose weight, best way to lose weight. If you don't put in keywords, Pinterest is going to show your ad to all of these related things anyway. I'll take out lifestyle actually. It's going to show it to these related things anyway. So weight loss and diet and nutrition is what you want to target anyway, so it doesn't really matter. If you want to narrow it down, then you can get into the keywords, or you can even do search interests as well, and maybe there's some interest hiding in there that you haven't seen. Now, the next step is genders. I would probably do female in this case because that's really the targeted audience for this particular product or fitness products. All ages, I would probably pick specific ages if I was you. I wouldn't go over 50 just because. All US locations, or you can pick specific locations and specific countries. I usually do United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and what's the other one? United Kingdom, okay? And then go down here. Now, you've actually got to have a pin ready, which we didn't do. So we'll do that now. So daily budget, I'll just put it $20. It doesn't really matter. I recommend doing at least $10 plus. Leave this like this. And then I'm going to create a pin, which you guys probably saw me do on the last one. but I'm going to open, and I've put in my PIN, and I'm going to actually put here how to unlock your metabolism pairing, and then something like take the quiz, maybe in brackets. Okay, now this is where the important thing is that I didn't show you guys before, is you want to go back to ClickFunnels, which is a funnel program that we use. You guys don't have to use ClickFunnels. There's probably cheaper alternatives out there, but this ClickFunnels is the easiest because you get everything that you can use. Okay, and you want to take this link here. Now don't shorten the link. Pinterest is not like that. Just use the raw link here, this raw link right here, or hook up your own website to ClickFunnels, which you can find online how to do that, and then put the destination link in here. And then simply go to publish. And what this is going to do is publish your ad. I'm not going to publish this one, but that's exactly what you're doing. You're going out and creating these Pinterest ads. Now, these are working extremely well right now because what everyone's doing, you'll notice here, and here, that it's got Facebook ad copy, Facebook links, everything's Facebook, Facebook, Facebook. No one's focusing on places like Pinterest, and Pinterest has an enormous amount of women that are interested in fitness and diets, a huge, millions and millions and millions you can see in here, and it's kind of untapped because, where was it? Oh, it hasn't, it's now come up as a pin because we created a pin. So you just want to actually, you want to publish the pin, then publish your ad. But Pinterest is full of just so many females and women, like that's the demographic. So well, the main demographic, there's not many men on that platform. So this kind of setup works extremely well. And all of these products are focused on Facebook, Facebook, Facebook. So that's where everyone's advertising these is Facebook. And they're doing very well. It can be a little bit hard for a beginner to get into Facebook because there's so many experts in Facebook. And that's why these products have such high gravity, because everyone's promoting them in Facebook and not many people are promoting them in Pinterest. I'm not sure why, because Pinterest works well. It's a little bit cheaper. It's not a lot cheaper, but it's a little bit cheaper and there's less competition. So you want to send people to that pin, then to the quiz page, and then to the actual product. Now, this is just a basic bridge page setup, but you're using a quiz instead of actually collecting emails. What you can actually do, so you know how I say here, let me just quit out of here. Okay, you know how I say here, collect emails. You might be asking, how do you actually collect the emails if there's only a button? Actually, at the end, what you can do is you can go to quiz 7, you can edit the page, you can actually add an email field on the pop-up, which is what I've done. So go to edit settings, and you can actually add an email field in here by going to elements, add element, and input, I think it's input A. Yeah, and you can actually get people to put in their email address and then click the button, and then you're going to be actually collecting emails, and then you can go and send emails and make more money with this method. So that's the advanced version, guys, from the last video for you guys that were asking for this. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want some more training, I'll leave some videos up on the right that will take you through how to actually do the ClickFunnels, building a funnel in ClickFunnels. It's so ClickFunnels, ClickBank, it's so confusing. And then I'm also going to leave a video on how to create an email list for this method as well. So make sure you click those videos on the right. They will show you exactly how to do that. And I'll see you in one of my next videos. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell so you know when my next video gets released.